Well, the Trucker's Paradise is filmed in front of a live and furry studio audience. We're here to talk about the most important 5 trucks wires. Wires in your trucks. I apologize. Again, those of you who really know me know that English is not my forte. These are the most important wires in your whole truck. Start your truck, they stop your truck, etc., etc., etc. I am having what I believe to be issues with my ignition system, and here's a new one. Here's the old one. Not really much difference. It seems when I pull up on this right here and move this whole right here, that tells me, well, there's nothing right there for that to move, so it's got to be an interaction between here and here. Well, that's pretty solid. So there's got to be an interaction between these wires and here. So I've gone in there with this handy dandy pokey thing, and I think a couple of them were a little bit loose. Pokey thing is out of focus. It needs a Zen moment. It's out of focus. So I am pretty sure that that's what my problem was for my intermittent APU operation. I am going to put this back together and see how this works in a few minutes, and I will come back at you with part 2. Notice I have my special helper here. He's and his son. Stay tuned.